Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Medicare step-by-step, updated. Start by gathering your Social Security number, birth certificate, recent health insurance details, and bank info for any premium payments. Next, determine your enrollment period and whether you qualify for automatic enrollment. Prepare to choose Part A, Part B, and any supplemental plans, review costs, and list providers you want to keep before starting the application online or by phone. I'll walk you through enrollment periods, eligibility checks, and paperwork to keep this manageable and calm. First, check your initial enrollment period dates and mark deadlines. If you miss that window, review special enrollment scenarios and penalties. Learn how to compare original Medicare versus Medicare Advantage and know when to add Part D or a Medigap plan. Keep copies of all confirmations and set calendar reminders to avoid lapses today. Quick recommendation: if you're juggling forms while hydrating, consider a durable water bottle to stay focused. I suggest the Oala water bottle for easy sipping, a leak-proof lid, and long-lasting insulation that keeps you refreshed during long phone calls and paperwork. If you find this walkthrough useful, please subscribe and like to support more helpful guides. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now I will explain the actual application steps so you feel confident at each click or call. Start online at the official Medicare portal or call Social Security to enroll by phone. Follow prompts to enter personal data, verify income for premium adjustments, and select coverage options. Save confirmation numbers, print or screenshot receipts, and ask about effective dates. If you need help, bring a trusted friend or caseworker to assist during submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.